Good morning, Banana Group. Welcome to Monday's Phonics learning. So today we're going to think of a new sound. So let's think about finding our sound from last week, first of all, in our flashcard. So we were doing the air sound last week, weren't we? And we found out there were 3 spelling patterns for air sound. So let's find A-I-R, the one that's in here, the one that we know best. Okay, so when you see it, you know what to do. Are you ready? Let's go. Got it, there it is, that A-I-R trigraph making the air sound. Well done. Brilliant job, well done, year 1, well done, our group. So today we're going to think about a new sound, like I said. So not a new sound, but new spelling pattern. So we know this one the best. So what is that sound? Ear sound. Okay, so there are 3 ways to spell the ear sound. So last week we learned, didn't we, that this can also make the air sound and how we had to read the word and decide which one was correct. And it was a bit tricky, wasn't it? But we also know it makes the ear sound, and that's when we know best. We learned that one in reception. So E-A-R making the ear sound. There are another 2. And look, they've all got the same, letters in just a different order, these 2, which just makes it a bit confusing. So we've got E-R-E and E-E-R, and these all come at the end of words, okay? Or mostly the end of words. There are a few where it might come in the middle, but mostly the end. So we've got 8 words as usual, and just for today, they're just E-A-R words, just this one. Okay, so your job is, as usual, to write these 8 words down and pop the sound buttons on. Okay, so pause the video now to do that. Well done, Banana Group. Okay, so let's put them on. Well, I'll put mine on and we'll do our robot arms together. Okay, so we've got G. Oh, that's yellow. I don't want yellow, do I? I can't see that very well. G, ear, gear. Let's use our robot arms. 1, 2, 3. G, ear, gear. Like my car has 5 gears. Okay, next one. Y, ear, year. That's a bit of a tricky one because sometimes it doesn't sound quite like that when we say it. But like a year, there's 12 months in a year. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Y, ear, year. Well done. Okay, next one. D, ear, dear. D, ear, dear. Now that's like if you're going to write a letter, you start it off by saying dear, somebody's name. Okay, so not the animal, the deer, but dear as in dear Banana Group, if I was writing you a letter. Okay, what about this one? This one, you can see that ear sound in the middle. Doesn't happen very often. B, ear, d, beard. Ready? 1, 2, 3. B, ear, d, beard. Okay, man has got a bushy beard. Fantastic. Right, let's use our phonics fingers this time. So we've got ear, here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ear, here. Now this word here, there's a few meanings to the word here. This one is I hear with my ear. That's how we can remember it, because that's saying I can hear you, and it's got E-A-R in it that spells just the word ear, and that's how you can remember that that's the correct one if you're saying I hear something, or I can hear a loud noise, okay? Next one, ear, tear. Now, can you remember last week that came up, didn't it? Looking exactly the same, but it said tear. It was tricky because it was I said normally you'd be able to read the word and you decide which spelling pattern it is, but that one, it looks exactly the same, and it could be a word both ways. So you have to read the context of what you're reading, and it would make sense if it was tear, like I tear a piece of paper, or tear, like I've got tears. Okay, so you'll just get to know which word it is by reading the rest of what you're doing, okay? But we know it's ear this week because we're doing the ear sound, so tear. Let's do that with our phonics fingers. Ready? Ear, tear. Good. Okay, next one I've got ear, fear. Or, remember the colour monster? And when he was black, he was showing fear. He was scared. Ready to do this with our phonics fingers? 1, 2, 3. Ear, fear. Fantastic. And finally, I've got ear, near, like I am sitting near you. Or in fact, I'm not sitting near you because I'm so far away from you. But that's what I mean by near. Okay, ready to wiggle those phonics fingers one more time. 1, 2, 3. Ear, near. Super job. Well done, banana group. So as always on Monday, I'd like you to choose 3 of the words and write 3 sentences. And don't forget to write the sound buttons on the ear word that you choose. Okay, so let me do my example. What should I do? I'm going to say, tricky word, my. Oh, not the capital letters. My car has 6 gears. Okay, that's my sentence, and I'm putting on my sound buttons ears because it's plural, so gears. Okay, so I'm really looking forward to reading your 3 sentences, and I will see you tomorrow, banana group, to carry on with some phonics with the ear sound. Bye, everyone.